Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Lifestyle Opportunities. Today, I'm sharing something truly transformative, my absolute love for Khan Academy. I've personally used it to brush up on algebra, learn basic coding, and understand economic principles. It's become my go-to resource for lifelong learning. Khan Academy is a nonprofit organization with a mission to provide a free, world-class education for anyone, anywhere. They do this through engaging educational videos, interactive practice exercises, and a personalized learning dashboard. This platform is a game changer for learners of all ages. Let's dive into the incredible range of subjects. You'll find everything from basic math, like arithmetic and pre-algebra, to advanced topics like AP calculus, linear algebra, and differential equations. Science lovers can explore biology, chemistry, physics, and more. History, economics, and computer science are also covered extensively. They even offer test prep for SAT, ACT, and MCAT. What makes Khan Academy so powerful is its accessibility. It breaks down financial barriers to education. It's perfect for lifelong learners, students needing extra help, and those in underserved communities. Adults can use it for career changes, personal development, or refreshing old skills. Plus, the tools for educators and parents are invaluable. And with Khanmigo, the AI learning assistant, the future of education is here. Here's my advice. Start with a subject you're passionate about or need help with. Utilize the practice exercises, and don't be afraid to revisit videos. The personalized dashboard will guide you. And explore Khanmigo, it's amazing. If you're ready to unlock your potential, check out Khan Academy. The link is in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. Let me know in the comments what you're learning.